welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be doing another update of Washington Dulles International Airport. This is a morning based update, so we have a lot of the Middle Eastern arrivals in at the moment, along with some of the Central American airlines in, but as we usually do, we're going to start off down here at Concourse B, and in front of you, you're probably wondering why we have a JetBlue aircraft. This of course is a JetBlue Airbus A321, and JetBlue stopped flying to Washington Dulles back in 2018, I believe, but we have recently had a diversion into Washington Dulles. This JetBlue Airbus A321 was flying from San Juan up to Washington Reagan, when for an unknown reason to me, this aircraft diverted into Washington Dulles. It was a very late diversion. I do wonder whether it was something to do with the noise abatement around Washington Reagan. It departed late out of San Juan and then arrived into Washington Dulles at 3 a.m. in the morning. So I'm wondering whether, because it was 3 a.m., they couldn't fly into Washington Reagan. I'm not really too sure, but then this aircraft proceeded to fly onwards to Washington Reagan. So this aircraft, this JetBlue A321, is going to be making the very short hop over to Washington Reagan. Next up here we have this Alaska Boeing 737-900ER. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Seattle in Washington. As I've mentioned, I do want to get some of the Alaska 737 MAX aircraft in my collection soon, because Alaska, they don't just send MAXs, they do send 900s and 800s, but of course they are ramping up their deliveries of their MAX aircraft, and so more and more MAX aircraft are going to end up in the DC area. So hopefully soon we can get an Alaska MAX 8, MAX 9, and then eventually when it comes out to the MAX 10 as well. Moving over to American now, here we have this American Airbus A321. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Dallas in Texas. They have been using the A321 on this route recently. Of course, it used to be on the 737, but now it's on the A321. So this aircraft is going to be heading out to Dallas, Fort Worth in Texas. Again, a very common aircraft here at Washington Dulles these days is this American Eagle CRJ-700. This aircraft is of course going to be heading out to American Eagle's only route out of Washington Dulles, and that is Charlotte in North Carolina. Again, as I usually say, this route is usually operated on the -900. However, Gemini Jets haven't released an American CRJ-900 recently, so I would love to get one of those in my collection. But for now, the CRJ-700 is going to be heading out to Charlotte in North Carolina. Moving around to Delta now, here we have this Delta Connection Embraer E175. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Minneapolis in Minnesota. We then have this Delta Boeing 717. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Atlanta in Georgia. We then have this Delta Connection CRJ-900. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Detroit in Michigan. And then last but not least, for Delta, here we have this Delta Airbus A220-100. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Seattle in Washington. Again, this route is usually operated on the A220-300. We do actually get quite a few A220-300s into Washington Dulles, so it'd be good to get one of them into my collection. They operate out to Seattle, Salt Lake City, down to Atlanta as well, so it would be good to get a -300 in soon, but for now this -100 is going to be heading out to Seattle. Moving over to the internationals now, here we have this Ethiopian 787-9. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Addis Ababa after arriving in from Dublin in Ireland. Of course, the Ethiopian aircraft, because of the elevation that Addis Ababa is at, the Ethiopian flights have to stop in Dublin in Ireland on their way over to Dallas, and then on the way back they can just fly direct to Addis Ababa. At the moment we are still getting the A350-900 on this route. I don't at the moment have an Ethiopian A350-900, so for now we're just using this 787 instead, but this aircraft is going to be heading out to Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. Next up, a new aircraft into the collection. Here we have this Porter Dash 8 Q400. This one is in the regular livery, which is an aircraft I've been after for a very long time. Of course, Porter are expanding their operations with the E2, but these old Q400 routes are still going, so this Porter Q400 is going to be heading out to Toronto Billy Bishop later on today. Next up, we have the big boy. We have the Emirates A380. Of course, this aircraft is going to be heading out to Dubai. It's good to see the A380 back on the route to Washington Dulles. They did swap for the 777 originally. I think they might do a summer-winter type thing, where during the winter months we get the 777 and then in the summer months we get the A380. I'm not too sure, but we will see how that goes. And then next up here we have another new aircraft into the collection. Here we have the Air India in the new livery, the A350-900. Of course, the A350s don't fly into Washington Dulles yet anyway, and we are still getting the 787, but I recently got this Air India A350, so I decided to add it into one update just to see how it looks at Washington Dulles, because eventually, of course, when the 787s are repainted, we will get the new Air India livery at Washington Dulles, which is pretty exciting. But this Air India A350-900 is going to be heading out to Delhi in India. Next, over here with the Central American aircraft, we have this Avianca Airbus A320. This aircraft is going to be heading out to San Salvador. And then next up here, another new aircraft, we have this Copa Airlines 737 MAX 9. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Panama City. Then last but not least, here at the terminal, we have this Qatar 777-300ER in the One World colour scheme. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Doha in Qatar. Then over here at the cargo section, here we have this FedEx Boeing 757-200. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Memphis later on today. And then last but not least, for the updates, here we have this Luftwaffe A400M. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Keflavik in Iceland before then heading onwards to Germany. We do get these A400s in fairly regularly from the Luftwaffe. I'm not exactly sure why. I don't know whether they use Dulles as a fueling stop to then head on out west in the US. I'm not really sure why. But there we go. And just like that, that does conclude today's update of Washington Dulles International Airport. There's not really a ton to go over, so with that, I want to thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.